Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE and I'm going to tell you how to fix that your earbuds automatically starts playing or pausing the music. So the first thing that I recommend looking after is try to change, update, reinstall your player. It's because sometimes it's just the player and like the sound player issue, and the only thing you have to change is the player, update it or just reinstall it. Yes, I know that it sounds kind of absurd though, but it is how it is. If it wasn't the issue of the player, what I do recommend doing is to disable the in-ear detection in your device, in the Galaxy Wearable application. If you disable it, there is no such possibility that your earbuds automatically starts playing or pausing the music. Of course, if it comes to the physical ways, of course, if they are not broken, they shouldn't be behaving like that. Apart from that, you can try cleaning your earbuds, and if you want to know how to do that, you can check out channel because we have a video for that. And apart from cleaning, you can just try charging them up to 100%, restarting them, and restarting your phone. And that should be it about the fix. Hope your earbuds are now fixed. Goodbye.